How to edit a campaign in Mailchimp. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to edit a campaign that you have already created into your Mailchimp account. So we are going to head over mailchimp.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going to find out the dashboard. Once we have did that, we're going basically to click on the campaigns. Click on campaigns, and then you're going to see all the campaigns that you have created. You can see the title of the campaign from the title of it or the header of it. Also, you can find the name, the status of it, the audiences, and so also some analytics. So you can go ahead and see the type also of the editor of the campaign based on here. So if you are not going to find something indifferent or something normal, it is going to be not, or the modern let's say campaign creator, it is going to be something like that. And if you're going to have the legacy builder, which is going to be the classic one, it is going to be mentioned like that. Now, how we can edit a campaign? Click on edit on the button or the campaign itself. It is going to show you here everything about it. So from the title of it, you can go ahead and edit the name for the email. For example, personal test, just like that. I'm going to save it. You can go ahead also and modify the subscribers or the recipients, and also you can have here the sender, the date, or the delivery email, and also the name of it. For the subject, you can go ahead and put a subject and also a preview text, and at the same time is going to be either a scheduled one or it is going to be a now sending. Aside from that, you're going to have the content, which is going to have here the specific, as you can see here, a button, which is going to let you edit the design. Click on here, and then you're going to open up the email editor. You can have here this, as you can see, the modern one. You can go ahead and drag and drop whatever you want from this menu or the blocks and change the layout of any of the emails that you're going to find just like that. So basically, when you are going to finish saving or setting up everything, click on save and exit, and you're going to be back to the campaign settings. So you're going to send them or schedule them to future sending. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.